carhelpout.com. It's the convenience. Ever been stuck on the side of the road or hit with an unexpected car issue just when you least need it? Here in Memphis, we know how much time matters. And when car trouble strikes, you need a solution that's quick, reliable, and honestly, doesn't mess with your day. That's where Memphis mobile mechanics come in. Think of this like the future of auto repair. No towing, no waiting around in shops. We bring the garage shop to you wherever you are. Need a quick fix at home or an emergency repair at the office? Just say the word and we're on our way. Our certified local Memphis mobile mechanics have everything they need right there in the van. From advanced diagnostic scanners to everyday repair tools, whether it's an engine problem, brake work, or even a battery replacement, we've got you covered. These aren't just quick fixes. They're detailed, quality repairs made for the long haul. And here's the best part. When we come to you, it's all transparent. You can see exactly what's going on with your car, get real-time explanations, and finally understand what needs to be done without the usual auto shop runaround. Imagine saving hours of your time right here in Memphis while knowing your car is in expert hands. Plus, our prices? They're competitive, often more affordable than traditional shops with none of the hidden fees. Just honest work from a local team that genuinely cares. So the next time your car needs a little TLC, don't waste time or stress over scheduling. Call your local mobile mechanic in Memphis at 901-881-7850. We're here to make car care easy, convenient, and hassle-free. Car trouble is unpredictable, but your solution doesn't have to be. Keep our number handy, 901-881-7850. And remember, we're here whenever you need us, right where you need us.